Mask out. 6 different boxes. Designate one box per each of these color schemes. Warm colors, cool colors. Complementary, those are the opposites, like opposite sides, red and green, orange and blue, yellow and purple. Monochromatic, that means one color and tints and shades of that color. So you have red, yellow, and blue as a triad. Look, they're on this triangle, and that means you're gonna have 3 colors in between that aren't in the color scheme. So the primary colors are a triad. The neutral colors. So how do you even get neutral colors? Well, you can use the browns and the blacks. And recognize that when you mix yellow and violet complementaries, or red and green, or even red, violet, and yellow green, those intermediary or tertiary colors, those opposites cancel each other out, and 50-50 you're going to get a gray or a brown. But if you want a yellow that maybe is a little muted, more mustardy, a teensy weensy bit of purple is going to take the color intensity down. So these are your steps, okay? Step 1, mask it out. Designate one box per color scheme. Then you're just going to experiment with some different techniques, not thinking too much, and you're going to end up with a mini painting for each of these. I'm going to just leave that